Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So in today's video, let us see how to prepare spring onions omelette. Normally, everybody loves to eat omelette, and also it's the basic dish where a boy or a girl learns how to prepare. So the first basic omelette, let us turn to be healthy and very tasty. So all we need is spring onions over here. So I have taken spring onions fresh. So you wash it nicely, and then I have taken three full spring onions, three bundles of spring onions. So cut the bulbs, onion bulbs and the roots and put it aside and chop them finely into small pieces as I have shown here. Now once you're done with chopping, take a bowl and add the entire chopped spring onion pieces into the bowl. So first I have taken 2 eggs here. Now break those 2 eggs into the bowl. Now spring onions, it's very good for your health. It helps to solve your constipation problem and also helps to keep your gut health nice. It helps in your digestion and also helps to promote good bone strength. Now add ginger garlic paste, a pinch of pepper powder and salt to taste. Transfer this to a bigger bowl so that you can stir it nicely. Now for 3 bundles of spring onions, add 3 eggs. So first I added 2 and next I have added this. Now one best tip for fluffier omelette is you have to stir it constantly so that you get a foam like this. Now I have added 1 tablespoon of maida or all-purpose flour just for binding purpose. So for that binding purpose only I have added a little bit of maida or all-purpose flour. Stir it constantly till you get a nice foam or lather on top of it. That is the secret for a fluffy omelette. Now take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil and spread the oil nicely on the pan, and then add the spring onion mixture on top of it and put the flame on low and then cook it for 1 minute with the lid closed. Now after 1 minute, remove the lid and flip the omelette on the other side. See how beautiful it is? It turned light golden brown color. This is very nice. Oh, don't overcook the omelette. Now allow it to cook for another 30 seconds and that's it. Remove your omelette. Your omelette will be amazing in taste and also it's healthier. Don't overcook the omelette because your spring onions may burn on the bottom. See, this is how you need to cook the other side of the omelette. That's it. Your spring onion omelette is already so easy and also healthy. Remember, you can improve your health with this, and it's also help in anti-aging also. So try this recipe and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.